Hey, good morning, Jasmine. Did anything happen to you? You don't look very happy. What's up?
Morning, Justin. I was happy this morning, but I had to deal with a difficult guest today.
Oh, come on. But you have always dealt with this kind of guests.
Not like this one. He has just arrived last night and he has been complaining a lot.
But that usually happens. I've seen a lot of them since I started working as a doorman in this hotel.
I know you have more experience than I am, but believe me, this guest is the most difficult one.
If you say so. Anyway, I wanted to tell you about my last vacation. I was going to.
Hey. Wait. There he is. The guest I told you about.
Oh, alright. I'm going to be right behind him, okay? In case you need help.
Good morning, Mr. Nelson. Did you sleep well yesterday? How may I help you?
You're kidding, right? How could anybody sleep in that room? It was freezing inside.
Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that, sir. But we have heating in every single room.
I don't think so. I tried to turn it on and I never could, so I had to sleep like that.
I'm really sorry, sir. But why didn't you call us to help you with the heating machine?
What do you mean? So, is this my fault, then? Am I to blame for not calling you?
No, sir. I didn't mean that. But do not worry, right now I'm sending a person to check the heating.
Okay, but do it fast because I don't plan to sleep with the freezing weather today too. You get it?
Of course, Mrs. We will fix it right away. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, you're not helping me at all. So, I'm going to go to my room to rest a little. Bye.
Okay, sir. And I'm really sorry for the problem you had in your room.
Okay, maybe that was too much. I think he exaggerated a little, but it's not a big deal.
That's what you say, but yesterday he came here saying he wanted extra blankets.
So, what? That's normal. Many guests ask for extra blankets nowadays.
Yeah. Well, he had already had extra blankets in the room. A lot of them.
Ha ha ha. Relax. When is he leaving? Is he staying the whole week?
He said he would stay here for 5 days, and I'm counting the days until he leaves this hotel.
Ha ha ha. Don't be silly. Well, I was telling you about my vacation.
Wait. There he come again. Oh God. Now what? Mr. Nelson. It's good to see you again. How may I help you this time?
Thank you so much for watching videos. Please help subscribe my channel.
The service here is awful. I was trying to connect to the hotel Wi-Fi and I couldn't do it.
I see. You know we have the Wi-Fi password on the room telephone.
Do you think I'm stupid or what? Of course, I know here the password is, but it doesn't connect.
Yes, I'm sorry, sir. Just in case, I will read it for you. It is HOT 168.
What? What did you say? I think you're wrong. It's not 168. It's just 68.
No, sir. It is HOT 168.
Well, it's your fault. You should write it bigger, don't you think?
Of course, sir. Well, we'll consider that to make some changes to improve, sir.
Alright. Maybe he has problems to see the words and numbers clearly.
Yeah, whatever. But there is a good way to talk to people. He's angry all the time.
Relax, Jasmine. I don't think he won't come back again. I'm telling you.
You think? Because there he's coming again. Excuse me. Hello, Mr. Nelson. Is there a problem that I can help you solve? What's wrong?
Everything's wrong here. I've been listening to strange noises next to my room.
Oh, it is 11 a.m. Maybe it's the cleaning lady doing her work. Probably vacuuming.
Yeah. Well, am I supposed to hear that noise all the time she spent cleaning?
No, sir. And we're really sorry for the problem. But, it is just 2 minutes.
2 minutes? 1 hour? What is the difference? I don't want to listen to that noise, okay?
Okay, sir. And again, I'm sorry for I'll tell the cleaning lady.
I hope so. I can't keep coming here every 5 minutes. Please, solve it.
Of course, sir. I'll do it right away. I'm calling the cleaning lady right now.
Wow. Okay, this time, I don't know what to say. That was just too much.
Tell me about it. I need to work with documents here and I can't because of him.
But you need to be patient. He will leave soon. I'm sure you can do a great work and...
Silence. There he comes again. What now? I already called the cleaning lady, sir. And she won't be cleaning there for the moment.
I don't care about the cleaning lady anymore. I have a bigger problem right now.
Oh, of course, sir. How can I help you this time? What is the problem you have?
Do you have room service? Are they working now or what? Because I have been waiting for an hour.
I'm sorry, sir. Let me understand. Please. Did you order anything?
Of course, I ordered my lunch and they never came to my room with that.
Oh, but it's 10 in the morning. Lunch will be ready since 12 or midday, sir.
You never told me that. I want to eat my lunch right now. I'm starving.
It is the contract you signed yesterday, but never mind, I will help you with your order.
I don't care about contracts. I just want to eat my lunch. I always eat it at this time.
I already sent a message to the restaurant staff. They will bring you something for lunch.
I hope so. And I hope they don't take too much time, damn. Okay, you need to calm down. I know he's irritating. But we need to keep calm here.
You can keep calm next time he comes. I will tell him everything I think about him.
No, and no. Don't do that. You're going to have problem with the boss.
I can't care less about that right now. He just drives me crazy. And he's coming again. Yes. What is the problem now? What do you want this time, sir?
I just wanted to apologize, lady. I've been having problems at home. That's why I came here.
Oh, no. You don't need to apologize, sir. I'm really sorry.
Of course, I have to do it. I have been complaining too much and that was not good. I'm sorry.
That's okay, sir. Why don't you tell me a little about your problems at home?
Seriously? Okay, because I need to talk to somebody. Well, to start I am.
Thank you so much for watching videos. Please help subscribe my channel.